Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pad see ew with chicken. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of chicken, sliced thinly, and fresh wide rice noodles, which are key to this dish. Don't forget your Chinese broccoli, also known as gai lan, and the foundational sauces like dark soy sauce and oyster sauce. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that iconic pad see ew sauce. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Whisk it all together until the sugar dissolves completely. While your sauce is ready, gently separate your wide rice noodles. This prevents them from clumping together in the wok, ensuring every strand gets coated beautifully. With our sauce and noodles prepped, it's time to stir fry. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in your wok or a large skillet over high heat. Add your sliced chicken and stir fry for about 3 minutes until it's fully cooked. Next, toss in the chopped Chinese broccoli and cook for another 2 minutes until it's tender crisp. Push everything to one side, then crack in 2 eggs and scramble them quickly in the empty space. Almost there. Now, add your separated wide rice noodles to the wok with the chicken, broccoli, and scrambled eggs. Pour your delicious sauce evenly over everything. Using tongs or a spatula, toss continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring every noodle strand is beautifully coated and heated through. Serve your homemade pad see ew immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of white pepper for an extra touch. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.